a plot of space and time involves generative AI. Historical and cultural circumstances determine the medium the artist uses. One has to look into the past in order to understand the future. Walter Benjamin in 1935, in his book The Work of Art in the Age of its Technical Reproduction, states that things made by man can always be remade by other men. The reproducibility of the artworks at the beginning of 1900 is something really new, which asserts itself extremely gradually. From drawing we move on to engraving, then etching, lithography, and then arrive at photography, which no longer require any contribution from the artistic hand. Photography for the first time is an autonomous technique that can produce a quantity of copies superior to all previous techniques. The artworks has always been in principle reproducible, states Walter Benjamin, but even in the most successful version, one thing is missing: the ikat Nunc, its unique existence at the precise moment it's created. The here and now that constitutes the concept of the artwork's authenticity. The reproduction can never be the same as the original and will be treated as a fake. Where is the here and now of AI-generated content? In the moment we hit the Enter key after writing a prompt? Every time I read that a new index with a ready-to-use prompt has been posted, I laugh. Do you know how a creative person uses generative AI software? By reworking even 200 or 300 times the content generated by the first prompt. So, you think that a well-written text is enough to drive an AI software for a creative person? Prompts for those who use machine without sticking to patterns are not what will generate the final artistic content. To research something. The cultural background of the person using generative AI software is really important. Every input given to the machine will have an archaic thought in its head related to its culture. Each territory has its own cultural history that shows which way to apply the development of technology. After a first moment of amazement, we need to realize that AI implements skills that we already have. AI is not magic, and in order to implement a new technology in our daily workflow, we need to understand and embrace change. My name is Cecilia Lascialfari, and if you want, you can connect with me on LinkedIn. Thank you for being here with me today at GatherVerse AI Summit 2025. May our gather be well.